Hello everybody and welcome. Today I thought I might open 2 packs just because I just feel like opening 2 packs. First one's going to be a premium gold one. Second one's going to be a FIFA one. FIFA World Cup one, so let's go ahead and... Okay. Come on then, hope for something good. Let's hope for something good. Hope for an inform or a good player. Please. Really? Salihamidzic? Can't even pronounce his name. But I guess it'll be okay. Trap and Icardi. Quite like that kit. Okay, that was okay. That was okay. So then, I guess we go ahead and get one from the World Cup pack. Hopefully we get good players. See, look, this is my team. My best player is Eddie and Jack. No. Oh, I think it's Martinez. I'm not sure, the left mid. That's my best player. Then it's Eddie and Jacko. So I could do with a better centre back and a better goalkeeper. That's all I'm asking for, EA. Better goalkeeper. But I wouldn't mind the team of the match day, Neymar, Messi or Iniesta. I wouldn't mind team of the match day one. So let's go ahead and grab this one and see who we get. You know what, I'm not looking. I'm not looking. I'm just gonna press I. Press I. Really? Really? Choi Hoi-shin? Kaiba? Spirianfunke? I'm not even going to attempt to say his name. And then X-Hacker. Ah, no, Phaser Hacker. Oh, we get a free pack. Nice one. Switzerland. Oh, nice. Redeem. We'll open that one after. Oh, don't quick sell. I guess they're okay. That centre mid's alright, but anyway. So yeah, let's go ahead and head back over to the FIFA 14 Ultimate Team. Let's see if we get anybody decent. With you. I love that song. Anyway, hopefully we get Neuer. That would just be sick if we got Neuer. Okay, I'm not looking. I'm not looking. I'm not gonna skip it. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Here we go. I've heard it spin. Does it come out? I'm gonna slowly. Amaya. Wow, he looks sick. Cersei or Circe? Wow, he looks really good actually. Wow, I could do with him. That pace though. How old is he? Flipping heck, how old is he? I can't. I'm not very good at maths. Left footed. Skill move, flipping heck. He's going in my team straight away. Yeah. What time? Okay, so we got a good. Yeah. Come on, stay and watch. Got a good. Shut up. I got a good right mid. Got a few contracts. No rare contracts, but it's alright. extra got the racing club badge. It's not too bad. So let's fix up my club and see what we've got. Right then. Bit of a disappointing packs, should I say. At least I can improve my squad. My best player is Pepe Reina. Phew. Damn it. I'm ashamed of this squad. Oh, damn it. No, there's no one else. See if we've got any other centre backs. I guess he's alright. And this one? No, that's a shame. No. Anyway, if I go ahead and just swap this player, because I think we have a anybody who's sick place? No. Oh well. So sometimes I play the players in slightly different positions. Positions. So yeah. Let's keep him. Swap this one. And then hopefully next episode we will play a game and we'll probably get absolutely battered. Anywho, on the upside we do have a fast player. I wonder how good he is at free kicks. Italians seem to be sick at free kicks. Where's the free kick accuracy? How do we find that? Oh, I'm gonna see if I can find the best chemistry. 40. Oh, 44. We got 52. Got 53. Oh, 54. That's what I had before. Sorry. Why does that go down? Who's he linked with? I was linked with him. Then, what about these? No. These? What foot is he? Left. Please be right. Yeah. That works. Do with you. Da 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 da. With you. If I find a right back or right wing back, he could play there. Only if he's better than him. Sorry. Do. If you're wondering, then I did end up accidentally deleting my squad. Don't know how I did it, but I did somehow. You with you, yeah, ha. But then what is it when I swap them to 54, wasn't it? Was it not? It's the same. Oh, the chemistry goes down. So they're almost all playing in the exact position. Anyway, that's about it for this episode. Hopefully we'll be able to get a better centre back, right back and a left back in about 3 to 4 episodes times. Hopefully this will be a let's play or something like that. So yeah, let's just do something. Squad selector, squad builder. I do quite like to do a Premier League team. Let's just see how many players we've got. 1. I suppose Reina could play there because he technically plays for Liverpool at the moment. With you, yeah, Reina can play a striker. Yeah. What I might do is play all the players, like the goalkeeper, the striker, a centre back at there, a left back at left mid, right back at right mid, 2 centre back centre mid, and then 4 strikers. You know what I mean? Black and yellow, you know. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.